what's up guys? It's Auggie at Parts Online Network with another Tech Tip Tuesday. So in this video, we're going to be showing you how to remove the plastic cover from the rear dome light. I actually have a picture of what that looks like right here. We get a lot of calls where people break these, and it's very simple to take apart just to replace the bulb. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All you're going to need is a thin Phillips screwdriver. If you had a plastic pry tool, it would be even better because you're going against plastic. So yeah, let me show you real quick. So if you look right here, you see this has a little notch. So that notch is an indicator to let you know where you should be sticking your tool. So, and actually I can give you a better idea if you want to look really close. If you look, I don't know if can you see that on camera? So if you look right here, there's a tab that sticks behind this plastic. So all I'm doing is I'm going to push this in there and bend it a little bit, and there you go. Now I'm out. And now this will give me the opportunity to replace this bulb. Now we can take it an extra step further, since let's say if this was physically broken and you needed to replace this, your whole headliner needs to come down. And then once the headliner comes down, you need to remove this plastic cover, and you have to kind of put it in an angle, and you can get it out of this. Remove the bulb, of course. Use gloves, because the oils from your fingers will get on the glass, and once it heats up, kaplooey. And then yeah, there'll be a connector right back here that's clipped up under here, and then you just got to pull this out of the upper headliner, and that's it. And then just reinstalling it is pretty simple. Put it back in and use that same hole to apply a little bit of pressure on the plastic to let it go back in, and it's done. All right, so that's pretty much it. It's really simple, but it's a piece that a lot of people break, and they normally call us to send them a new one. So if you happen to break your rear dome light cover, check us out at partsonlinenetwork.com or use partsonlinenetwork.com. It'll still reroute you to the same place, and we can get one shipped out to you. If you guys have any trouble getting this out, you can always give us a call, comment on this video. And if someone wants to know how to remove this, let us know in the comment, and then maybe I'll do another video showing you guys how to take it out of the truck. Auggie with Parts Online Network, and that's how to remove and replace the bulb and plastic cover in an 04 to I believe 06 Dodge Ram, probably even higher, but what do I know? I'm just a cute face behind the camera. In front.